Made 20K from TikTok, family, right? If you're new, just getting you up to speed. Your basic chakra controls your ability to make money, right? If you're having problems making money, it's all that basic chakra located at the base of the spine and tailbone. Once that's big, strong, and healthy, you'll have a big, strong, healthy bank account. Like that story of that, rich CEO of that billion-dollar company who got a $20 million bonus, right? A week and a half after a prosperity pranic healing session, right? Worked on his basic chakra, got like 5 times bigger during the session. Boom, a week and a half later, that CEO was like, hey, I just made millions. Thank you. Right? So the basic chakra, how do we get that bigger? I've been making a lot of money, family, lately. Here's what I've noticed. Here's, just reminding y'all. The basic chakra, right? We know that it's bigger, you're gonna attract more money. Speed. All y'all that are interested in timing, hey, I need things to speed up. You need to exercise, you need to give more. The bigger your basic chakra is, you'll also notice that the faster things manifest. Fast, 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 speed, it happens faster. So, exercising more lately, trying to take care of myself, you know what I'm saying? Trying to have more energy during healing sessions so I can heal you guys more powerfully and quicker. You know what I'm saying? Make my job easier, really. I'm like, damn, I'm over here, I ain't worked out today. My energy's real low, I'm doing healing sessions, it's taking me forever to do it, would take me like 5 minutes. So, boom. And then when I'm bursting full of energy, just worked out, doing a healing session right after a workout or something like that, boom, y'all hit me up. Oh my God, the session was great. I feel good. All my pain's gone, all this stuff. I'm like, yeah, I know. I felt it on this side, right? I'm over here healing. I'm like, boom, oh, I'm already done. That was a couple seconds. Your pipelines, your channels open up when you're doing exercise. And it pushes out all that old stagnant energy. So when you're doing Twin Hearts, yeah, you might be full of energy, but it's all that old stagnant energy. You can have too much good energy, right? Energy is just energy, Your chakras are like cups. They can only hold so much energy. So the excess just sits on top of your aura, sits on top of your chakras. It needs to be used up. That's what exercise does. That's why I tell y'all do exercise after Twin Hearts. So you can use up that stagnant energy, and that, all that stagnant energy gets flushed out. It makes room for fresh prana, right? Exercise, exercise, exercise. This has been speeding up me attracting and manifesting money, right? It makes it faster, right? You're gonna get more money, but the speed, you'll see how fast things manifest when you working out. Unfortunately, work out, family. Don't neglect this physical body. You're not this body, right? You born this joint. You the soul. You're not the emotion, not the thoughts, not this physical little flesh suit. You're the soul. Control this body. Get disciplined. Exercise every day, and then take a look at your finances and see the progression, because you're gonna make more money. This is what it is. I just want y'all to be aware of it and track it so you can see for yourself. You're not gonna know unless you see for yourself, family. I'm just giving you a heads up to those that are already doing this. You're like, yeah, I've been exercising, I've been doing Twin Hearts. My finances are good. I'm making a lot of money, right? So, but I was just letting you know, you manifest and you attract faster the bigger your basic chakra starts to get. Things starts happening faster and faster and faster. That money starts to come faster and faster and faster. And that's great. That's how you get things like, oh, where did this check come from? I wasn't even supposed to get paid till Thursday, and it's Monday type deal. Yeah. God will make a way. Who created those problems that you got with money? God. Who gonna create the solution for you to get about them problem situations? God. What is a mantra? A sound vibration that comes from God. So go ask God for help in the form of Shreen Brazil. He's gonna bless you. This just is what it is. Them the rules. It's purely mechanical. The more you chant, right, listen to Shreen Brazil, the more money has to come to you. This is law. This is universal law we're dealing with. Money has to come to you. It has no choice. That's why we chant our Shreen Brazil. We make money, and then we go about our spiritual business. The money has to come. You chant Shreen Brazil. You listen to it. You writing it. You got nothing to worry about. Love y'all. Peace.